Guys, welcome to my vlog. And wow, I am so scared right now, guys. I am so scared, guys. I thought this would be a chilled out session. Unfortunately, it's not a chilled out session. I am so scared, guys. I thought this would be a chilled out session. Unfortunately, it's not a chilled out session. My friend Olive was supposed to meet me. If at all you've watched my video with her, the Thika video, she's supposed to join me at the Blue Post Hotel for a picnic. You guys know I love picnics. And I'm here with my Masai blankie, ready to order the samosas. The samosas are fantastic. So I was ready to order for some samosas, beer, and just have some little chit chat with my girl during this, self-quarantine with my friend. The plan was not to even step into this park. They have a tiny park at Blue Post, and excuse me guys, I'm whispering because I'm afraid they'll wake up. Whatever I'm about to introduce to you, I'm looking at them and I can't hold it. Anyway guys, so I'm inside this little education center. I never expected to vlog the inside of the park because the last time I was here I was a kiddo. I was very tiny. I was probably 10 years, 12, 13. I don't know, I can't quite remember. So I don't even remember getting into this education center. And if at all it existed when I was young, I probably wasn't interested. But right now, I'm seeing so many things. They have flies. There's so many flies. It's like there's some dead shit in here. I just don't know what it is. I'm kidding though. Anyway, so they have this. Wait, they have that going on. Just counts. I think this is what caught my attention, and I started like taking videos and photos from here. I've taken a few snaps from here, guys. And would you believe that this place, wait, let me zoom it. That's how it used to look like apparently. And now it's some huge ass hotel, guys. Huge ass hotel. They've got some vinyl recorder over here. Traditional kendo. I don't know what's doing in that section. The telephone. Broken telephone as well. Our president, former president Mwai Kibaki, That's another telephone. I think this is, they're calling it an old telephone switchboard. Guys, would you confirm that it is? I never saw this. Oh shit, I forgot I was so close, guys. Oh my god, I have goosebumps. So guys, I was so looking at that, having a good time, you know, watching those music stars over there. Then I came to this. I didn't give an F really. Then guys, I saw this guys, I'm losing my shit. And you know the worst thing is, I can't even read what's what. I can't go. This is the farthest I can zoom in, guys. That's the farthest I can zoom in. I think they are already dead, but what the oh, guys, there are live snakes. Over here. Oh my god. There is one. Oh my god, I don't think I'm in the right environment, guys. I think that's a python skin. Oh, what's that? That's a python skin, guys. That's a python skin. Whoever brought me here is my curiosity. Look at that guy trying to figure it out, if he can come out, guys. Red spitting cobra over here just staring at me. And some green mamba just slithering on the wall, guys, sticking its tongue out. There's an olive house snake. It's already shed its skin. Oh my god. I'm looking back, guys. I'm literally looking back. I'm alone in this education center. I am alone, and I can't believe I am here with these animals. That's a buff adder, guys, over there. She's been trying, or he's been, oh my god, it's a black mamba, guys. It's been trying to come out for the longest time, and I don't know, it's just, you know, enjoying or feeling me, loving how it would just taste me. I'm so scared, guys. I'm so scared. But I'm glad I got to finally face my fears. I feel like I can come close to this one for some reason. It feels so enclosed. Oh my god. Do not touch the glass. Fragile. Oh, oh. Guys, the glass did make a sound. The glass did make a sound. And look at this right here. Sorry. Is having the time of his life, just chilling. I think he tried escaping, guys. There are stones on top of it. He tried escaping. That's a rock python. I pray that I never come across these things. That one has given up on me, and I'm glad. But there are others over there. And then you come to some little shelves, blah 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 blah. Oh, fuchs. Oh my god. That's, guys, this is some snake skin, and it looks like, you know, shit was here. Oh my god, let me get out of here, guys. Who are these, bro? Who are y'all, man? Who are y'all? Who do you come from? Who do you originate from, guys? What the hell? What the hell? Oh. Ostrich eggs. The last time I was here, guys, these guys used to have ostriches. I'm gonna find out if they still have ostriches. Oh shit. I feel like shit is eating me. I feel like some shit is eating me up. Hey, guys, I cannot move. I simply cannot move without checking the freaking ground. And this is what snakes do to me, bro. Scare me. Yo. The reason I wasn't making inside, making noise inside there is, this place is giving me goosebumps, is because I could not fathom getting a snake bite. Not at all. Those snakes are inside there, guys. Inside there. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Let me tell you, no matter how many times I get to see a snake, I don't think I ever get over my fears with snakes. Fear snakes, guys. I can't watch a YouTube video or a Facebook video or even an Insta video about snakes for more than 10 seconds. I can't do that. I can't. Anyway, guys, so it wasn't a bad idea to come over to the Whipples. They have a tiny park that I'm really enjoying. Now, the ostriches used to be somewhere here, guys. The ostriches, you know me now, I'm scared about the snakes and everything. I even want to remove my jacket, but no, I'm not removing my jacket. That's not corona, guys. I doubt it is corona. Ooh! We spotted an ostrich, guys. Hi, big birdie. What's up? How you doing? Say hi to my YouTube channel. Hello. Hey, hey. And these guys can move fast. Look at those legs, guys. Ooh. Strong mother. Komba, 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 baby. Oh, snuggles. You sleepy, cutie. Hello, buddies. Guess you're probably wondering. Wait. Guess you're probably wondering why I called you buddy. Some of you out there like rabbits. True or false? True. Now there's some sleeky ass animal over here. Oh my god, the tail is literally next to me, guys. Ooh. Ooh. Here's the tail. I wasn't lying. Here's the tail. The tail starts from here all the way. It curves. Look at it. Hey, na kweli Mungu aliumba animals kweli. What the hell? This thing looks like a snake. It looks like a crocodile. It looks like a lizard. Or it's a Nile monitor lizard. Largest lizard in Africa. Ooh, it can grow 2 point. Way. Look at that mouth. Focus, you focus. I hope it doesn't spit, guys. Let me move away in case it spits. Look at the mouth, guys. Guys, coming to the end of this tiny park in Thika. So beautiful out here. It's so peaceful. There's some guards that can guide you. It's a very tiny place. You can cover it in if you're fast enough, but there's a lot to take in, so you just have to come here when you're not in a hurry. But if you're in a hurry, this is the right place to be, to just see a few animals, then you can leave. But it's a very small space. That's what I'm trying to say. It's a very tiny space, and you can get to see crocodiles, the Nile monitor lizard that we just saw, and then ostriches. I've just seen one, but I'm sure there's several others. If that one is still there, I'm sure there's several others. Of course, I'll ask. And you can see some tortoises, you can see many other animals. I'd rather you come here and see for yourself. It's a tiny little park. Very tiny, guys. By tiny, I mean you can cover it in 30 minutes, then go have your lunch. But as for me, I'm just gonna go have some picnic by myself. Try and have a picnic and ask them if they can bring me beer. I don't know. The crocodiles are here, guys. I'm walking out. I'm done. And basically that's the whole space.